Hi, this is Priyanshi Soni. I'm your host, and today we have with us the founder of WildFit, Mr. Shailesh Darekar. And let me take you through his journey of relentless drive. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hi Priyanshi, I'm good.
So, what sparked your interest in the field of fitness science?
Basically, I was an IT professional, and way before that, I was the biology student as well. So, in my IT days, I was very obese and overweight. So, I was weighing somewhere around 110 kgs and above. Okay. So, at that time, I was also suffering through a lot of hormonal distress in my body, considering the gynecomastia as the major symptom. Okay. So, that actually kicked me a point where I have started my journey in terms of the fitness studies.
Okay, that is amazing.
Yeah.
So, what were your thoughts in building, the personal training studio?
When I was studying abroad regarding the fitness sciences and everything, so I get to understand one thing very clearly, that in India, fitness is very backdated. Everyone will focus on the very short term goals in terms of the fat loss, muscle gain, and everything. Also in India, generally people will spend a lot of money in their gym membership, in their personal training, and everything. But at the end of the 2 or 3 years, you can say there has nothing changed. Okay, so that is the point where we have started with this concept of exclusivity, where we will be working only on client transformations.
Right.
Yeah, so that is the concept of a training studio.
So, as a personal trainer, what should be the approach to handle clients?
So, as a personal trainer, it is a job of very responsibility, where your primary focus should be on the education and not in terms of the very short-term goals like muscle gain, fat loss, and all. So that should be the approach towards the clients, and to deliver the maximum possible results in terms of whatever the client is carrying in terms of their goals. And along with that, there should be a lifestyle change. If you are focusing more on the lifestyle change, so client can have a very sustainable lifestyle, and post certain point, like let's say after 3 or 4 months, client will be having a very good lifestyle, and then client will not be dependent on you. Okay, so that should be a responsibility of a trainer, you can say.
Right, that is very true. So, how is WildFit different from other gyms?
Okay, so WildFit is different in two aspects, I will say. So the first is for their clients, and second is for their employees as well. So in terms of the clients, client is everything for us. Okay, so when it comes to the client, so we will deliver the maximum possible results in terms of the performance, or in terms of the health, and in terms of the fitness as well. Yeah, so we try to deliver maximum results with a set of team. This is not the work done by the individual, so it will be a teamwork. So team consists of different aspects like physiotherapist, rehab therapist, then personal trainers, and the nutritionist as well. So in terms of the employees, so there is a very straightforward, you can say, job description for our employees, and that is just the client quality. So they just have to make sure they have to upgrade themselves, and they have to work on the client quality. That's it. So I think regarding the fitness, as I said before, it is a very backdated industry in India. So it is the same thing for the employees as well who are working for the fitness. And I have seen a journey from the corporates in terms of the IT to the fitness industry. So you can say there is no respect at all for the coaches or the nutritionist. So as a WildFit, as a company, we promise our clients to give the best possible work culture. Okay,
This is like totally different thing I've heard in recent times. So this is just amazing.
thank you so much. Yeah.
So can you reflect on the impact your company has made in the recent years or in the future it's going to make?
Okay. So basically, we have transformed more than 5,000 lives so far. Okay. So there is a very broad spectrum to our clientele. So starting from, you can say, to a very normal guy to an athlete. Okay. So we have covered everything. Okay. So more than just transforming the lives, we have created an impact in terms of the lifestyle change. So when it comes to the lifestyle, down the line of few months, our clients are so good at, you can say, the technical knowledge in terms of the nutrition or the coaching science, that they are not dependent anymore on anyone, and they will take it as actually lifestyle. So for example, let's say if someone is not touching the sugar throughout the life, that is a very big change for us. So as I said before कि fitness is very backdated. So हमारे लिए fitness का important goal ऐसा है कि जब lifestyle की हम बात करते हैं, so client का actually lifestyle change हो, which is not the concept anywhere. So WildFit as a company, we are very successful in terms of making this a revolutionary change. So this is like a revolution, and that is very true because we are living in a scenario where everything, like when it comes to the food, everything is adulterated or everything is processed. In terms of the workouts, so there are no workouts at all. So everyone is having the sitting jobs and all. So that is the point we have make this revolution now. Whenever like our clients, like they will come here and they will enroll for 3 months, 6 months, whatever it is, post their program, they are settled in a position that doing the workouts it is just like as simple as brushing the teeth. Having the good food or the right way of eating is the day-to-day thing for them. We basically educate them how to manage their nutrition on their own, how to manage their workouts on their own. So when it comes to the nutrition, we guide them how to manage nutrition in terms of whenever they are having the parties or they are sick or they are traveling anywhere. So that kind of lifestyle change we have made, and I feel this is actually revolutionary.
So what would be your advice for the young aspiring trainers in the fitness industry?
So as I said before, everyone, every kid in India, he will try to do the same things, like he has the aim to go for the doctors or like the engineer बनना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. But there are very few people who are more inclined towards the fitness side. Okay, so if you are in the fitness now, so like it is, I can say, fitness में जो भी जॉब करता है, it's a job of passion. यहाँ पे अगर passion नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है. So when it comes to the passion, I'll suggest every trainer like just upgrade yourself. Education is the thing कि जो कभी रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. When you upgrade yourself, you can explore the more areas. Like let's say कि there are different types of training. TRX training है, suspensions training है, you can say HIIT programs है, strength training है. So आप जितना पढ़ोगे, जितना खुद को upgrade करोगे, so this industry is worth giving the shot. Because people will see कि आज तक फिटनेस में कभी भी ट्रेनर ने ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं कमाया है. यार यहाँ पे तो अर्निंग्स बहुत कम रहती है, 5-10 हज़ार 15 हज़ार के लिए काम करना पड़ता है. But this is not the truth. Being an IT professional, I have seen this change from the corporate field to being a trainer. Before launching WildFit, I was a trainer. So I know like how my the salary and everything was impacted. So what are the chances like कि मैं कितना कमा सकता हूँ, क्या कर सकता हूँ. But like जो पहले एक स्ट्रगल का टाइम रहता है, एक वो टाइम आपने एक बार क्रॉस कर दिया तो फिटनेस इज अ वेरी गुड इंडस्ट्री. सो द मोर you upgrade yourself, you can learn a lot of techniques, and this is like a research based industry, I will say, because इसका कोई end नहीं है. No end in terms of the nutrition, end in terms of the performance coaching, यहाँ पे कोई भी end नहीं है. As a founder, अभी भी हमारा एक certain time हम dedicate करते हैं for the learning, because there is you can say a lot of things that needs the attention, because अभी भी इंडिया में this field is very growing. अब तक उतना एजुकेशन नहीं है. पीपल विल लुक एट परफॉर्मेंस कोच और द फिटनेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि मेरा पेट कम करना है, मेरा ये करना है, वो करना है. सो यही अब तक एंगल है. सो इसको बहुत एनहांस किया जा सकता है, एंड इसमें करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज अभी ये फील्ड जस्ट ग्रो होना स्टार्ट हुआ है इंडिया में, राइट. सो एज अ ट्रेनर जितना पढ़ सकते हो पढ़ो, एंड कम टू दिस फील्ड एंड एक्सप्लोर दिस फील्ड. या
Wow. I mean, I hope everybody listens to this and everybody implies your all insightful talks to their lifestyle. This is amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining us, sir. बहुत सारे insightful talks हुए हैं and आपने बहुत सारा motivation भी दिया है. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Priyanshi.
Thank you guys for watching us. Follow us for more such content, for more such informative videos on Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube.